Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. This is Hannah Fashion House. On today's video we are going to learn how to cut a jumpsuit, a palazzo jumpsuit with a hoodoo on the neck. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, please like, share and comment, and remember to follow me on my Facebook page Hannah Bead, and my backup page Beads by Hannah. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is to rule the marginal line. This is the starting point of it, which is the marginal line. So the jumpsuit, I've already cut the upside. So my length is 60 and my half length is 18. So I have measured 42 inches and add 1 inches allowance. So we have to get the crotch line. On this jumpsuit, I'm using 13 for the crotch line, 13 inches for the hip line. I'm using 11 inches because this is jumpsuit, but if it's a normal palazzo trouser, you use 8 depending on the size of your crotch. The hip line, use length 8 or 9 standard. Okay, so the next thing I need to measure is my crotch is 30, so I have to measure 30 divided into 2. What we have will be 15. So this is 15. The next thing is to divide the hip line. The hip line, you have to divide your hip line into 4. My hip line is 46. So 46 divided into 4, I will have 11.5. So I will start the measurement from this side. 11.5 is here. And I'm going to add extra 1.5 inches. So whatever thing I have here, this is 13.5, but 13.1. I'm going to bring that 13.1 here. I will mark it. You use your ruler or your freehand sketching to draw the line. From this area, you start to measure your waistline. So my high waist measurement is 40. So 40 divided by 4. What we have here is 10 inches. We mark 10 inches here, then add 2 inches allowance. You now use your French curve or freehand sketching to curve it down. On this area at the crotch line, we are going to measure 1.5 inch or 1 inch here. I am measuring only 1 inch. Then you have to curve it down. You curve it down. On this area, because it's a palazzo jumpsuit, it's not going to be tight. So what I have to measure here, I will check my hip point. This is 13. I will measure 13 here. I will now mark 13 down. 13 down. Now curve from here. The next thing I have to do, I have to cut the crotch. Cut the crotch out. So I have trimmed out the crotch and the line. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the back. The difference between the back and the front is that at the crotch line here, we are going to mark 2.5 inch. Then at the at the waistline here, I'm going to mark 1.5 inch.